Left. The cat is on the left.
Yeah, boy.
Right. The cat is on the right.
Nice.
On. The cat is on the chair. Under. The cat is under the chair. Behind. The cat is behind the chair.
Perfect.
In front. The cat is in front of the chair. In. The cat is in the box. Next to. The cat is next to the box. Between. The cat is between the boxes.
Bruh.
Above. The cat is above the box.
Quiz time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Where's the cat? On. The cat is on the chair. Where's the cat? Between. The cat is between the boxes. Where's the cat? Left. The cat is on the left. Where's the cat? Under. The cat is under the chair. Where's the cat? In front. The cat is in front of the chair. Where's the cat? In. The cat is in the box. Where's the cat? Behind. The cat is behind the chair. Where's the cat? Right. The cat is on the right. Where's the cat? Next to. The cat is next to the box. Where's the cat? Above. The cat is above the box.